Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to join our learning journey. Here are 20 facts about Dover. 1. Location. Dover is the capital city of Delaware, situated in the central part of the state along the St. Johns River. 2. Population. Dover has a population of approximately 40,000, making it one of the smaller state capitals in the U.S. 3. State Capitol Building. The Delaware State Capitol, also known as Legislative Hall, is located in Dover and serves as the seat of the Delaware General Assembly. 4. Historical significance. Dover was established as the state capital in 1777 during the American Revolution, when it replaced Newcastle as the capital. 5. Dover Air Force Base. Dover is home to Dover Air Force Base, one of the largest and busiest military airlift bases in the world, crucial for transporting personnel and cargo. 6. First State Heritage Park. The First State Heritage Park in Dover includes several historical sites and museums, such as the Old State House and the Johnson Victrola Museum. 7. Delaware State University. Dover is home to Delaware State University, a historically black university offering a range of undergraduate and graduate programs. 8. Dover International Speedway. Known as the Monster Mile, the Dover International Speedway is a famous NASCAR racing track that hosts major racing events. 9. Air Mobility Command Museum. The Air Mobility Command Museum at Dover Air Force Base showcases the history of air mobility and features a collection of military aircraft and artifacts. 10. Delaware Agricultural Museum. The Delaware Agricultural Museum and Village in Dover highlights the state's agricultural history with exhibits on farming equipment and rural life. 11. John Dickinson Plantation. The John Dickinson Plantation, located just outside Dover, was the home of John Dickinson, a founding father of the United States, and offers tours of the historic estate. 12. Legislative Hall. Legislative Hall in Dover, the state capital, is known for its Georgian architectural style and houses the offices of the governor and the state legislature. 13. Biggs Museum of American Art. The Biggs Museum of American Art in Dover features a notable collection of American paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts, with a focus on regional artists. 14. Dover's Historical District. Dover's historic district includes numerous preserved buildings and homes from the 18th and 19th centuries, reflecting the city's rich history. 15. Delaware State Fair. The Delaware State Fair, held annually in Dover, showcases agricultural exhibits, entertainment, and rides, drawing visitors from across the region. 16. The Green. The Green is a historic park in the center of Dover, surrounded by important government buildings and used for public events and gatherings. 17. Delaware Nature Society. The Delaware Nature Society operates several nature preserves around Dover, offering educational programs and opportunities to explore local wildlife and ecosystems. 18. Memorial Day Parade. Dover hosts one of the largest Memorial Day parades in the state, honoring military veterans and celebrating national heritage. 19. Caesar Rodney Statue. The statue of Caesar Rodney, a prominent Delaware leader and signer of the Declaration of Independence, stands on the steps,